My name's Shannon. I'm the founder of hair accessories business Oso Curly, and I am making it my goal to make this my full-time income this year. So come along with me for the journey, and here's exactly how I pack orders for my small business. It would not be a small business owner vlog if I didn't actually teach you guys something. So I'm going to go through the whole step-by-step process using both Raw Mail Click and Drop and Shopify. Now, I have actually been blessed because for the past month, sales have been very consistent, but I will not lie to you guys. There are times when there are no sales and you'll be considering whether you should continue with your business or not. But those are the trying times, and we are going to be consistent. So even though I haven't had a sale today or yesterday, I'm going to be consistent, because if we're consistent, that's the only way we're going to get to our goals. Okay, so we're going to pack some orders and we're going to prepare boxes for future orders that are about to come. Everything that I'm using right now to pack this order needs to be within the cost of your product. So one box, one piece of tissue paper, your thank you cards, everything that goes into your product is how much your product's going to cost, not just how much you bought the product for. I have sent out an email campaign and it had my home address on the email, and I was just like, wow. Luckily, nothing happened and I've moved from that address now, but I don't want that to happen to you guys. I have put the solution down in the description box. I use UK Postbox and I pay every single month to have that business address. You also want to make sure that on Shopify, you are filling in every single detail in your product section. From the customs code, which you can find on the government website, you also want to enter the size of your boxes, the general size, and also the weight of the product. Also, touching on the customs and the shipping side of things, you need to make sure when you are shipping abroad and you have like a customs form with your shipping label, which Raw Mail does for you, you want to make sure that you have a EORI number, and that is going to help you prevent any extra charges to customers or any holdups in customs. Customers in the EU will have to pay a charge, but you can avoid a lot of blockages when you have your EORI number on your package. Annoyingly, Raw Mail Click and Drop don't have this option. You actually have to go in, edit the shipping label, or write the EORI number on the label. But the EORI number is so long, it's hard to fill it in that small section. So you want to open up the label that Raw Mail gives you, and then you want to screenshot just the customs part. Next, you want to open the screenshot and then hit the top edit section. And this is when you want to add a text box. Then you're going to copy and paste your EORI number into that text box. Make the font as big or small as you need it to fit within that EORI box. It's free to create a Raw Mail Click and Drop account, and then you can integrate it with your Shopify store. Then all of your orders will be integrated into Click and Drop. So when an order comes through, it will already appear on your dashboard. Then you simply just have to click on the order, enter the weight, the type of shipping that you want to send, and then you can apply the postage and pay the fee. You'll then get a link to download your labels and an option to book in a free collection. Then all you have to do is print off your labels and you're good to go. So we are all done and packed. These are actually going to be collected tomorrow for free because Royal Mail have a collection option for free, so they can come and collect it from your home. It doesn't have to be a business address, it can be your home address, or you can drop it off to the post office, but because it's free for collection, you might as well get them collected. Unless I'm in a real rush, I will just drop them off to the post office, but I'm just going to get these collected. And they also have an option where they will print a label for you, but I just printed out my labels today as a demo. But usually what I do is I get them to print the label out, so I get to save my paper. So that is a great service from Royal Mail, and I wish that they had that in the day. This is my process currently for packing and shipping orders. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you have any questions, drop them down below and I'll be sure to answer them maybe in the next vlog. Catch you in the next one. Bye.